May lechon sila. Hala? Tugnaw. Maginaw. Oo, maginaw.
Good morning, Philippines!
Hi guys, good morning. Good morning, everything. So ngayon, naglilinis ako guys. Nagmamadali kasi aalis ako dito 11 o'clock. Iwan ko si asawa. And so ngayon, wina-wipe ko lang yung mga ibigay ko sa mga kaibigan ko. Kasi magkikita kaming tatlo. And yun, wina-wipe ko lang siya. Malinis naman siya pero I wanna make sure na ano ba, na talagang na-sanitize yung ano kasi alam nyo na. At alam nyo guys, yung mga nakukuha natin sa tindahan, yung mga binibili natin, ito yung nakuha ko pala sa basura. And yung mga nabibili natin sa grocery, hold on. Hindi yun malinis totally. Kasi nga, hinahawak-hawakan, plus iba't ibang tao yung humahawak. And pagdating sa tindahan, may tumitingin, ibang tao na naman yung humahawak. So, hindi talaga siya malinis. So, yung naisip lang natin dahil galing sa basura, madumi. Pero hindi naman talaga yun madumi. Madumi lang yung basura kapag yung mga tinatapon is ano, yung mga tinatapon is madumi. Yung like mga dumi ng tao, basura, pinagkainan, gano'n. So, ito siya guys. Ito yung mga ibigay ko. So, yan. So, ito, mga ganito, tag-isa pila dito. And then, meron pa akong ano ka, maghanap ako ng pantry dito guys. Yung donation pantry kasi kapag nakakuha ako ng ganito, diretso bigay. You know, alam nyo na. Diretso bigay. Magkasya kaya ito? Donation pantry sila Lloyd at Brenda. And my friend is donation pantry. Joke lang yun guys. Inoferan ko naman sila. Okay lang naman kung ayaw nila do. Hindi naman ako masaktan. Makaintindi naman tayo, di ba? Pero malinis kasi siya. And then hindi siya expired. Best Buy yung tatak. Yun yung kaibahan guys sa Best Buy and expired. May kaibahan yan. So yun, Sharon Cunita. Sharon Cunita talaga. Iwan natin si Tommy, guys.
Sometimes you buy one and get two free because they're trying to get rid of them.
Yeah. We have tons of
banana. They're gonna be banana pancakes.
No.
And apple cinnamon pancakes.
There's no more pancake powder. You finished it all.
No, it's not.
Yes, you did. You just did the other day with the machine.
It's under there.
There's more?
Yeah. And there's a bag downstairs, like a big bag. But I'm gonna get another bag.
More big bag in there?
Another bag, but we need to replace that with another bag for storage for like.
Replace. Guys, I don't even finish one bag of the rice. He replaced it with how many?
You did finish. There was 50-something pounds of rice under there. Now there's only 35 pounds.
But there's still one bag in the back. The back.
I put 20 down. And
you buy two yesterday. You did buy two.
There were 2 bags on the back. I took them, filled them. There was 2 bags plus all those containers were full, so that was 50-odd pounds of rice.
Just over there?
Just here.
Seriously, hon?
Yeah, you use it.
No, 50 pounds?
So I put 20 down. I brought up, filled the containers up.
I don't think
and you still only have 35 pounds now. So that means you're still 15 pounds less than we had to begin with.
I eat a lot of rice, hon.
You eat a lot of rice.
Holy moly, hon.
Man, you eat a lot of rice. What do you do? That's why. That's the main thing. You know, if I was stocking up for me, it wouldn't be rice.
What are you stocking it for you?
Pasta, baby, but not rice.
You have a ton of pasta in there.
But that's why the bulk of what we store is rice. And things that can go on rice. Because I'm not going to eat white rice.
So
it's not no flavor. I might as well just chew on the box that it came in.
Guys, the thing with the rice when Tommy eat is the beans, right? Honey?
Yeah, beans. It's regular beans. You don't have to make a Spanish rice. You just regular rice and beans.
And that's all.
You gotta have it. It's good.
I had it. I don't like it. It's like
you don't like anything that wasn't developed in the Philippines.
Yes, of course, developed. I grew up in the Philippines, not
Right.
here. Okay, you have to understand that.
Yeah,
that I don't grow up
a
here.
lot of people you talk to grew up in the Philippines too, but they learned to like food from
No,
all over the world.
honestly,
They
no.
like Italian food, Greek food, Irish
No,
food.
Italian food is good, but the beans with the rice, it's not good. Honestly,
Spanish.
well, yeah, but we don't do that. We have a
How do you know something?
yeah, it's a big beans and then you mix it with the rice. Seriously.
But mango beans with rice is okay.
Well, that's with coconut thing. With coconut,
Oh,
with
so you put
seasoned.
sugar- So just put some sugar on it.
It's not sugar.
Coconut milk is sweet.
Coconut milk. How many times did I use coconut milk? The coconut, the other one, the coconut
Sweet.
cream. No, the coconut cream is sweet. The coconut milk is not. Okay? Oh my god. Are you gonna be okay? You have
We'll
food?
all land on Roxy and we'll both be dead.
Han, seriously, Han.
And Misty will eat us because she's hungry.
Han, don't say that, Han.
There's no way you're here to feed me. I guess I'll have
That's
to
all.
eat these two.
That's all garbage over here. I found a thing, guys, and then Hubs Dimples broke it because Hubs cheese dimples, and I love it. This is the only thing that I enjoy.
Oh please.
Look at that, guys. Look.
If it broke that easy, it was probably cracked anyway.
No.
You probably wouldn't
No,
know
see,
it.
look at this, guys. Oh, it's like a freaking nice thing. How much is this? 18 bucks. Look, and this one, guys, I don't know if Tommy can fix it, so I'm just gonna throw it
It's a
out.
frame, but it was part of a. It was part
Look,
of a,
it's cracked. Look, so how can you fix that? You cannot fix that.
You could fix it.
You can?
Yeah.
Can you do that?
Really easy to fix that.
Can you do this before I throw it
Yeah,
out?
Where's the other stand?
It's right here.
So yeah, they're easy.
Nag-snow at sana hindi ito lalakas. Diba? Tignan nyo yan, oh. Ay, may Roxy, oh. Hi, Rox! Look, yung snow pumasok. Pumasok yung snow. Roxy! Rox! Bye-bye, Rox! It's snow, it's falling the boat. It's snow, it's snow. Sana meron akong pang-wipe ba. Pag mag-build up yung snow, kailangan ko ng brush. Sana meron ang brush sa likuran. Kasi kapag mag-parking ka, and then, ano yung snow, tumaas na, andun, hindi ka na makita. Pero I think hindi naman ito magtagal, so hopefully hindi magtagal. So yun, let's go, let's go. Hindi, masyado. May lechon sila. Hala? Tugnaw. Maginaw, oo. Maginaw. Hala, ang laki ng ano, guys. Ano yan?
Tuna pa nga. Real.
Ang laki. Oh my God.
Yeah. Hindi, para, how much is that? Magkano pa natikman yan?
Magkaano kaya yan? Magkaano yan, kuya? Nahanap pala ni Brenda. Gusto niya yung silupin, yung packaging. Oh, may music. Guys, pumayat. Dito na si Lloydie. Oh, pumayat na, guys. Every time na makita ko siya, pumayat. Oh, isa. Yun lang. Okay lang. Oo.
Hello po.
Okay lang yun. Pwede naman i-move natin mamaya. Okay lang.
Ang palaya.
Eh, ano yung yellow na dyan?
Kare-kare.
Ah, yellow na yellow.
Ano to, te? Menu, ano yan? Dito ka nga talaga. Tatapusin ko lang. Gulin mo na. Ano pa?
Kain ka nitong isa.
Dai, anong kapartner nito?
Sa kanya man yan.
Yung sa gitna dito, sa may... Adobo? Which one? Ito yan sa
Ito.
gitna. Paksiw na lechon. Oo, paksiw na lechon. Lechon paksiw. Lechon paksiw? Oo. Ay, hindi pala siya. Adobo. Ay, adobo yun.
Adobo. Adobo siya.
Kasi yung lechon paksiw nyo?
Wala. Yun na lang adobo.
Yan na lang. Adobo. Parang lechon paksiw na.
Parang naman yun siya.
Parang same lang din. Yung gulay.
Utang ikunod din. Utang ikunod din. Utang ikunod. Utang ikunod. Tama na yun. Tama na kasi Brenda dito. Okay na? O tumaba na Brenda to eh. Huwag na utang.
Mabasa yung pagkakulap na buong. Ikaw, Dan. Sa akin po, ano yan, tawag doon, at ang palayo po, 1 rand.
Ano, yun lang, alamang
Bicol, may pineapple, may tura, may... Ano, pineapple?
pineapple.
Tapos may gata. Beef steak ito, no? Dating beef steak. Beef steak. Opo, ito po. I'm sorry. Red. Oh. Ando na?
Lumayo.
Thank you po.
Ako din, ito, ang palaya din.
Lumayos po muna tayo na. Dalawa daw magaganda mag... Talaga naman, on the job.
Okay, ano to? Ito. Ano, wag mo na lagyan ng sabaw, te?
Oo nga. Nga.
Okay na yan.
Okay na.
At saka, ito na din, katulad kay Lodi. Okay, guys. Ito yung kinuha namin. Ito yung binili namin.
Best of drinks or tubig?
Tubig.
Don't wanna take it slow. Just wanna let you know. Ready to spend some time. I wanna spend some time. Needed some time to grow. Just wanna let you know. Ready to spend some time. I wanna spend some time. Ready to talk, baby. Can be your rock, baby. Please come and sit with me or take a walk with me. I need to speak to you. Just wanna be with you. Just let me take you for a ride. Is there a chance that we could make another try? I think we're meant to be. Didn't wanna say goodbye. If there's a chance, just tell me how. Cause time is precious, time is now. Don't wanna take it slow. Just wanna let you know.
Guys, tapos na kami ditong kumain. And then ngayon, si Luigi, ano siya, papunta dito. Mag-park siya dito. Katabi sa akin para para may ibigay kasi ako sa kanya. Doon siya, oh. Doon, oh. Maraming mga magagandang gulay dito, guys. Priskong-prisko, di ba, be? Oh, be, langka, be. Langka, ay. Bakit? Sakit diyan, no? Sasakit yung tiyan.
Sagir.
Anyari? Uy, anyari?
Alam ko na yung pakiramdam na.
Matamis din ito. Ito, masarap ito, matamis. Masarap yung lasa na marami ito sa Pilipinas. Oh, ito yung sa Pilipinas. Ito yun, ito masarap. Masarap. Ano siya, parang, kung sa Bisaya pa, labo ba?
Wala naman masyadong ganyan sa atin.
Ito, marami sa ating ganito. Ito yung tinatanim namin noon, be. Palaw. Be, ito, palaw. Sa atin, palaw man ito. Sa Bisaya. Palaw. Naglagay ako sa freezer. Yun yung gamit ko, kada gamit ko talaga. Marami ka pa?
Oo.
Mas mabango siya. Guys, ang dami, guys. Saba, be.
Saba? Ayun, saba ba yan?
Oo, yun yung ako, naglilupak ako niyan. Saba. Yun siya, nagluto ako.
Parang hindi naman matigas ako. Hinog pa sa loob.
Ay, hinog na, uy!
Hindi, sa loob hindi pa masyado.
Totoo? Talaga? Gusto ni Brenda yung pangit, oh.
Hindi, kasi be, pag ganyan, matigas pa siya. Hindi pwedeng lutuin?
Lutuin nga. Lutuin mo. Ay, prito mo? Ay, ipirito.
Fry, pwede rin
Ipirito pala.
Pwede rin yan ng kinayod na
Milo,
masarap inamin lasang Ovaltine.
Ovaltine na lang. Okay, guys. Doon kami kanina sa tawag nun, sa Market Fresh. Pero, ang nangyari, si Brenda bumili ng saging. Sinaulit niya yung saging. And then ngayon, andito kami sa Target. Target kami kasi. Wala, lakad-lakad lang. Pahili sa kinaon. Puwit man. Puwit. Ito parang puwit, oh.
Ito parang puwit ko na to.
Maganda siya.
Kahit yung mga quilts, dun kami bumili.
Ito, oh, clearance din kaya ito. Mga ganitong display, clearance yan. Look. Sabi pa ni Brenda, guys, punta kami sa likuran. Itapo nila ito next week. Hala, maganda ito, oh. Heart ba? $3 na lang, oh. Hi guys, so ngayon guys, uuwi na kami guys. Hindi pa sana kami uuwi after Target, kaso si Lloydie nagmamadali. Adjajay, pag-ibig talaga. And kasi may snow daw. Hi guys, ito na siya guys. Tignan nyo naman guys. Ay, dito na ako sa bahay. Grabe, wala. Kanina nag-stop na, ngayon nag-start na naman. Kaloka ito guys. Tika. Tara, let's go. Ba't hindi nag-ano? Hindi nag-open yung ano. Hold on guys. In-open ko yung ano. Wala. Walang internet. Ay, nako. Nag-snow na naman. Naghangin na naman. Lahat-lahat. Ayaw mag-open, hindi nakakonect. Ay, ito na. Kaloka. Nag-build up yung snow. Delicado. Ay, dito na ako sa bahay. Grabe, wala. Kanina, nag-stop na. Ngayon, nag-start na naman. Kaloka ito, guys. Tika. Tara, let's go. Ba't hindi nag-ano? Hindi nag-open yung ano. Hold on guys. In-open ko yung ano. Wala. Walang internet. Ay, nako. Nag-snow na naman. Naghangin na naman. Lahat-lahat. Ayaw mag-open. Hindi nakakonect. Ay, ito na. Kaloka. Nag-build up yung snow. Delicado. Nagbalik yung snow. Kaloka. Hi! What is wrong with you? Oh, the birds is so lucky you guys have food. The birds are lucky, love. Tignan nyo, I told you you're just doing the thing.
Crystal in China.
Si Tommy din busy. Pagdating ko dito, ang ginawa niya, tinawagan ko siya. Sabi pa niya, ang ginawa daw niya, busy daw siya. Nag-move ng mga gamit sa basement, punta sa attic. Minumove daw niya yung mga China cabinet. China ba? Mga silver, mga China. Nilagay niya sa taas. Then yun. Sumakit na naman yung likod niyan. Anyway, ano bang gagawin ko? Welcome to Tommy's invention recipe.
Invention about it.
He's making, what are you making?
I'm taking apples, I'm going to put them in a pancake mix with cinnamon and have cinnamon apple pancakes.
And what are you going to do with the apple?
I'm going to cut it up in pieces, blend it up in the blender. So it'll be nice consistency, just give it a flavor.
So he's using the one that I found in the garbage. It's
not, this is...
So what? We clean this. This is clean.
Yeah, but this is what you use. That motor is just the same as the other motor. It was just closer in the front. I grabbed that one.
Yeah, but I'm just saying, Han, what's the problem? It's not a big thing. What, are you worried because it's from the garbage? You know that apple is from last night. Dumpster dive.
Yeah, okay.
Look at that, guys. So, ang gagawin niya, guys, is smoothie niya yan, and then i-mix a pancake. That's it. And then that's mixed with the cinnamon. And he can put, milk in here to soften it. Yep. And luckily we have an almond milk.
I should just use a peeler.
Yeah, why not?
The apples and some almond milk. Otherwise it won't blend.
Add cinnamon now.
Only add cinnamon to the mix.
So this is it, guys. This is the apple smoothie. It's really smoothie, Han.
Not a smoothie. One of the crisp ones.
Wow, this is the best. It's a good apple. Oh my God. The apple is great. The best apple. I mean, nag-apple picking man kami, guys, but it's so good. Oh my God. This is Honeycrisp, Han.
Not a Honeycrisp, it was one of the crisp, it wasn't the Honeycrisp.
You bought it? You don't even know?
I can't remember.
It's right here in the name. It's a crisp.
Yeah, crisp, not a honey crisp.
No.
Something else crisp.
So guys, dinala ko yung ano, panga. Kay Brenda, gusto ko siyang dalhin, pero sabi ko kay Brenda na I feel sad for Brenda kasi Brenda loves the panga.
She loves what?
This one.
So why don't you give it to her?
I told her you can have it. She doesn't want it. So now, tell me what
We do need it because honestly, we would wind up throwing these things out if I don't make pancakes out of them when they get thrown out.
So.
It's not enough water, but I don't know how liquidy the.
Allah, you shouldn't be putting a lot. You know why? Because you still have liquid in there.
I know. That's why I said I don't want to put too much water because that may thin it out. But it's not a big deal. All
You
you
should
gotta do.
put it here, right? To move it.
Well, right now I want to mix the powder in the middle.
Allah, you have to add water, love.
Add water by mixing it here, get the rest of the apple out here. Don't waste the apple.
Cinnamon.
Now we put some cinnamon in there. It's not cinnamon with sugar, this is just cinnamon. Plenty of sugar for the apple. And we're going to put syrup, so there's plenty of sugar as well. And we'll make it a little brown looking.
Yeah, don't put too much cinnamon.
Who's making these? You or me? There's a lot of mix for the amount of cinnamon.
Oh my God, that's it! Oh my God! Well, good luck. I'm not eating that. I'm not eating that.
No, you didn't.
I'm not eating that. Why don't do that? That's my
You gotta put
thing.
a pan.
Huh?
You gotta put a pan. Quickly for this reason.
He added powder because
Because it's a little thin.
little thinner. So, nag-init siya ng butter, guys. So, ganyan siya. And iniwan niya kasi naghugas pa siya ng pinggan.
Here, because then I can't bring the pot close enough to it. And then I get drips all over everything.
Okay, banana pancake is next.
Yep.
Apple and then
I
banana.
might grind up some nuts and have banana nut pancakes.
Oh my God. No. There's something wrong with my husband, guys.
Why? You got a banana nut muffin. Got a flip.
Oh, perfect. Perfect. Holy moly. I'm gonna try this one.
So get your syrup.
No need to syrup. I-try natin siya. So, i-try natin yung luto ni Mr. Pancake in the middle of the day. Well, afternoon, almost midnight. Almost midnight. It's not almost midnight. It's like almost 4 o'clock. It's supposedly cooking for dinner. But we're not making any dinner, guys, because we have a ton of food. Actually, we have a lot of food. Meron kaming pancakes already in the freezer from the previous thing. And, so yun. Plus, he's making it now. Plus, he's gonna make probably next day with the banana. So, this is his first make. This first apple cinnamony and
I've made them before.
no, you don't make it like this, hon. You don't. You kind of chop only the.
I don't blend them.
Yeah, you don't blend them. But this time, you cannot eat the apple. It's already blended in the pancake mix. And I can taste a lot of cinnamon in it.
Good. Have it happen.
I can't taste the apple. Maybe I'm just... The cinnamon is overpowering. It's like overpower, like it's crazy. It's not bad. It's good. It's good, hon. I don't like cinnamon, but this is actually good. You know what reminds me? The apple cinnamon donut. The one in the orchard over there. Hi guys. So ngayon guys, lalabas lang daw si Mister. Lalabas siya. And then ako na lang magpatuloy. Kasi alam nyo naman yun kapag lalabas siya. Alam nyo ba yung anong gagawin niya? Manigarilyo. Yun yung ganap niya. So, what is your process after making this?
Put them in the freezer, make them get hard enough. You put them in the freezer. You put them in a bag first. Put them in the freezer. They'll stick together, and it'll be a pain. So I put them in place. Put them in the freezer until they get hard enough. Then I put them in a bag and put them in the freezer again.
All together now.
And then when you heat them up, you just put a minute and a half in the microwave, and it tastes like you just made them.
So this is how we meant of putting this to separate this, because sabi pa niya, he said that if you put this in the freezer in one bag, it will stuck together.
Right, so this way they start to freeze, and I pop them apart before they're like stuck together really hard.
So and after that, pagkatapos nun guys, later on, what's in the plate in the freezer, he will take it out and put it in the Ziploc bag.
Yeah, you got some of the Ziploc bags. I can show you on the top shelf.
Kain tayo guys, kain tayo. Alam niyo kung you know what I'm gonna eat? Panga ng isda, tuna. Do you wanna try, Han? Tuna, Han. Do you like tuna? It's a tuna, my goodness. And yung sauce ko is yung yung nakuha din natin sa basura. Yan, sa bidbad. What is that? Oh, you're baking something? Ang sarap ng panga talaga. Ito yung kinain namin kanina. The wind outside, guys, it's... Grabe yung hangin. Matulog na kami guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'm going to end the vlog kasi yung mata ko. Sobrang na siyang gusto nang matulog ba. So luckily nakapag-desisyon akong hindi mag-dumpster dive ngayong gabi kasi po kung hindi yung hangin is lalagputin kita guys. Sobrang lakas talaga. And also sobrang ginaw dahil sa hangin. You know. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye. Good night.